Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change Lyft email address. If you want to change your email address that is associated with your Lyft account, then the process is quite straightforward. So let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open your Lyft application from your app drawer. Make sure to log into your account like you normally do. Once you're logged into your Lyft account, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, tap on View Profile at the top. Now, click on Your Info right under Account Settings. Tap on your email appearing at the top of the screen. Erase your current email and type in a new email you would like to change to. Once you are done, tap on Save. Your email will now be updated. Now, the next thing to do is to verify your email. Open up your email service provider's application or simply open it up on a web browser. Now, open the email that you received from Lyft where it says verify your email. Copy the code that you received and paste it inside the email verification tab, or you can also tap on the link where it says confirm email in order to verify your email address. You can choose any one option of verifying your email with a code or simply tap on the link provided to you, and you will then be able to verify your email address on Lyft. So that is how you should be able to change your email on Lyft in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video.